Oh, the long search is over. I finally got a new rim for the RMZ450. This one is pretty decently destroyed. The hub's all cracked. Couple of big buckles in it, crack. Don't know who cased this rim, but it's been a good jump or something. Take the what?
The valve core.
Yeah, you can pull the valve out. It's actually a good idea. Do both of them anyway. Gotta break them off the bead. Get the old tyre off first, and then we'll get the new one. Usually pays to do it opposite your that rubber foot. Oh, got the rim all cleaned up with the wire brush. It's a bit of corrosion, all sorts of yucky stuff from the bits of rubber and stuff. Make sure I put my span back on, put that foot back in. And yeah, start getting the tyre back on and tube. Oh, tyre back on, all pumped up, bit of bubbly water around the valve.